Assalamualaikum, dear students. I am your maths teacher for class 6. Today I am going to explain exercise 4.1, page number 52. Now open your math book. Part 11, simplify. Question number 2, 3, 5. Now open your math Siva copy. Draw margin line, mention date, exercise number, page number. Part 11, simplify. Question number 2, 23.91 minus 17.39 plus 0.57. Give heading of solution. Rewrite the question. So we can solve this question according to BODMAS rule. In this question we have two mathematical expressions which are subtraction and addition. According to BODMAS rule, first we solve addition and then subtraction. These values are with addition. We add these values like this. Draw rough column. 20. These values are with addition. We add these values like this. 23.91 0.57. 1 plus 7 makes 8. 9 plus 5 makes 14. 4 here. 1 carry. Point as it is here. 3 plus 1 makes 4. 2. We put is equal to sign. We get 24.48 minus 17.39. Then subtract both values like this. 24.48 17.39. We cannot subtract 9 from 8. Borrow 1 makes 18. 4 becomes 3. 18 minus 9 makes 9. 3 minus 3 makes 0. Point as it is here. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. Borrow 1 makes 14. 2 becomes 1. 14 minus 7 makes 7. 1 minus 1 makes 0. Is equal to 7.09. This is answer. Now question number 3. 0.09 plus 0.009 minus 0.0009. Give heading of solution. Rewrite the question. So we can solve this question by using BODMAS rule. So we add these values like this. 0.09, 0.009. 9 plus 0, 9. 0. Point as it is here is equal to 0.099 minus 0.0009. Then subtract both values like this. 0.099 0.0009. We put 0 to balancing the digit. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. Borrow 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Remaining 8. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 0 minus 0, 0. Point as it is here is equal to, we get 0.0981. This is answer. Question number 5. 63.97 multiply 0.8. Give heading of solution. Rewrite the question. We multiply these values like this. 63.97.8. 8 sevens are 56. 6 here. 5 carry. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 5. 77. 7. 7 carry. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 7. 31. 1 here. 3 carry. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 3. 51. Count the digit after the decimal. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. We put decimal is equal to 51.176. This is answer. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework and submit it on coming Tuesday. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.